Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Year in Review Regional Roundtable Series, brought to you by the Employment Law Alliance, the world's largest network of labor and employment lawyers from the best law firms around the globe.
Hello everyone, my name is Sopon Patumratparagun from Price Sanon in Thailand, and I will be sharing Year in Review 2023 and our predictions for 2024 of labor, employment and immigration matters. We will start what were the most significant legal changes in 2023 that impacted employers. For the employment, remote work arrangements have been added. Thailand has added a new Section 23/1 to the LPA, the Labor Protection Act, at the beginnings of the year 2023 to accommodate remote work arrangements, which is said to upgrade labor protection and improve the quality of life for employees. These new sections of LPA make suggestions rather than imposing requirements or prohibitions to be observed. Entering into an agreement on remote work arrangements will continue to require mutual consent of employers and employees, as will most all the terms and conditions of such an agreement. There will be no sanction against an employer or an employee who declines to enter into such an agreement if asked to do so. Suppose an agreement on remote work arrangement is entered into by mutual consent of employer and employee. In that case, certain topics are suggested by this new section that may be included in it. An agreement on remote work arrangement may be made as a standalone agreement or an amendment to the employment contract, while under Thai law, employment contract may be made orally. These new sections prescribe that an agreement on remote work arrangements must be made in writing or in an electronic data format which is accessible and retrievable. An agreement falling within the scope of these new sections does not necessarily relate only to work that the employee performs at home. It can also extend to work performance at any temporary residential location or any other place outside the employer's office or workplace. This new section also stipulates that at the end of regular working hours as fixed by an agreement on working from home, the employee has the right to refuse communications by any means with the employer, except where the employee has given prior written consent. This is arguably already the case under existing law, but it is made explicit in this new section. Minimum wage was increased. Each year of January, Thailand minimum wage will be increased to assist with inflation and increased cost of living pressures. This year, Thailand minimum wages were increased by an average amount equal to 2.3%, depending on the location of the workplace. Currently, Thailand minimum wage overall is still about $10 a day, although it has been increased. Moving on to the immigration matters. Since 2003, Thailand Elite, an organization supported by the Thailand government and a wholly owned subsidiary of the Tourism Authority of Thailand, has offered the opportunity to eligible foreigners to obtain a Thailand visitor visa for 5, 10, or 20 years as applicable under the Thailand Privilege Card program to attract more tourists, businessmen, and entrepreneurs, allowing them exclusive access to visitor privileges and additional complementary services and benefits such as concierge services and exclusive assistance at airports, complimentary limousines transfer, assistance with 90-day stay reports, special discount at hotels, dining establishments, leading department stores, and shopping malls, all to promote greater tourism visit and foreign investment into the country. To become a member of the Thailand Privilege Card program, the applicants must have and maintain strict qualifications such as holding a foreign passport with 5-year remaining validity from an accepted country. In addition, the applicants must have no overstayed records in Thailand, have no adjudications of bankruptcy, and have not been sentenced by a judgment of imprisonment in any countries. In essence, there is no income or age limit requirements to apply for the Thailand Elite visa other than being at least 20 years of age and paying the applicable non-refundable membership fee. Order from September 15, 2023, no further application will be accepted to the current Thailand Privilege Card Program. Thailand Elite is offering membership to new expanded membership packages. New membership packages offered by Thailand Elite starting effectively from October 1st, 2023. Thailand Elite will start accepting applications for new membership packages different and expanded from the current packages. Further information on the exact detailed privileges of each membership tier card type under the new membership package and their expanded complementary benefits, as well as terms, conditions, and guidelines have been published on our website or the website of Thailand Elite. Moving on to our predictions for 2024 unemployment law updates. Thailand Personal Data Protection Commissions have issued the notification of Personal Data Protection Commissions in regards criteria for the protection of personal data sent or transferred to a foreign country under Section 28 and 29 of PDPA, which was published at the end of last year. Therefore, if the company in Thailand collects employees' personal data sent and transferred to a foreign country, HR should work with the data expert to revisit its cross-border transfer option, whether it is appropriate for its cross-border transfer, particularly the compliance of the existing but incorporated rules or appropriate safeguards. Next, Thailand Parliament has passed the same-sex marriage bills in principle. If these bills pass and come in effect, there is a potential that a foreigner who stays and works in Thailand under a work visa could sponsor his or her same-sex partners under an dependent visa. We will keep an eye on this and update if the bill passes. If you would like more information about this, you can find my bio in the description below.
Thank you for watching our Year in Review Regional Roundtable series. For more insights and updates on important global labor and employment matters, visit ela.law or find us on LinkedIn under the Employment Law Alliance. Check out the brand new ELA mobile app by searching Employment Law Alliance in the App Store or Google Play. The new app gives you all the power and access to our global network of the best labor and employment lawyers in the world, along with real-time access to podcasts, webinars, and the ELA's exclusive Global Employer Handbook.